Good morning. Exercise 6.3, question number 11. 2x plus y greater than equal to 4. X plus y less than equal to 3. 2x minus 3y less than equal to 6. Now, in this question, total 3 equation is given. Now, using by this equation, first of all, solve all these 3 equations. Find out the value of x and y, all in 3 equations, and after draw the graph. So, first of all, here greater than equality is present, convert into equal to form. So, therefore, 2x plus y is equal to 4. 2x written in opposite side, so y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Now here x, y, x in place of written 4, y 0, x in place of written, x in place of written consider 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 minus 4, that means y 0. X in place of consider suppose 1. So 2 1 ja 2. 4 minus 2, that means 2. In second equation, x plus y less than equal to 3. So here written x plus y is equal to 3. Now x written in opposite side, so y is equal to 3 minus x. Now, after find out the value of x and y, x in place of written here 0. So 3 minus 0, that means 3. X in place of consider 3. 3 minus 3, that means y is equal to 0. Now, 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Minus 3y written in opposite side. So here we get equation minus 3y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Okay. Now here remove this negative sign and opposite side written 3y is equal to 2x minus 6. That means change the sign in opposite side. Now divide by 3. So therefore y is equal to 2x minus 6 divided by 3. Now after find out the point, so here x, y, x in place of consider 3, so y 0, right, 2 3 just 6, 6 minus 6, that means 0. Now x in place of consider suppose 0, so 0 minus 6, that means minus 6, minus 6 divided by 3, it means minus 2. Now after using by this point, draw the graph. So here x axis, here written y axis. Now here 3 point is present, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we can written minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now in upper side, here written 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in left side, written here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now here point is present 2, 0. So in x coordinate 2, in x coordinate 2, y coordinate 0, that means this point is present here. X coordinate 1, y coordinate 2, so this point intersect here. Now join this line, here greater than equality is present, so join the dark line Now in second equation, here another point 0, 3. So x coordinate 0, y coordinate here consider 3. And 3, 0. So x coordinate 3, y coordinate 0, that means this point present here. Now after join the line, now in third equation, here we get point 3, 0. So that means x coordinate 3, 0, this point is present here, and 0 comma minus 2, that means in y coordinate here present 0 comma minus 2. So join this line. Now after written here equation, means here this line is 2x minus 3y is equal to 6 written here. Now in first line, so here we can written 2x plus y greater than equal to 4, and in second equation here written x plus y less than equal to 3. Now which part is our shaded part, which portion is our common portion? So consider same method apply here. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Substitute in this equation, so 0 plus 0 greater than equal to 4. So in first equation wrong condition is present. In second equation x 0 and y 0. Now substitute in this equation, so 0 plus 0 less than equal to 3. This condition right. So in second equation here we get right condition, and in third equation x 0 y 0, so 0 minus 0 less than equal to 6. So this condition also true. So here two line shaded part present in origin side, and in one line shaded part present in opposite side of origin. So in first equation shaded part, first equation that means this line, so shaded part is opposite side, that means this side. In second both these equations shaded portion is origin side, so in this line shaded portion is origin side and like this side, and in third line also shaded portion is origin line, that means this side. So in this line shaded portion is going this side, as this line shaded portion going origin side, and here also shaded portion going in origin side. So common portion is like this portion. So here we can written common portion. Okay, because all these three lines intersect common portion like this. Clear? Next question. Question number 12. So exercise 6.3, question number 12. Here equation is present. Here in this question 4 equation is present. X minus 2y less than equal to 3. 3x plus 4y greater than equal to 12. X greater than equal to 0. Y greater than equal to 1. So again here same method apply. Here equality in place of written is equal to. So here written x minus 2y is equal to 3. Now after equation convert into the form of y, so therefore minus 2y is equal to 3 minus x. Now remove this minus sign, so 2y is equal to x minus 3. Now divide by 2, so y is equal to x minus 3 divided by. Now here written x and y. X in place of written 3, 3 minus 3, that means 0. Now x in place of, suppose consider 1, so 1 minus 3, that means minus 2 divided by 2, that means minus 1. Now in second equation, again greater than equality, in place of written here is equal to sign, so 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. 3x written in opposite side, so therefore 4y is equal to 12 minus 3x. Now divide by 4, so therefore y is equal to 12 minus 3x upon 4. Now here written x and y. X in place of written 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 minus 12, that means 0, 0 divided by 4 means 0. X in place of, here consider suppose 2, so 3 2 is 6, 12 minus 12 minus 6, that means 6, 6 by 4, so here we get the value of 0.4. Okay, now x in place of, suppose here consider 0, so this part is 0, 12 minus 0, that means 12, 12 divided by 4 means 3. Now already this value present in direct form, that means x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 1. Now using by 4 result, draw the line representing graphically. So here x axis, y axis, here written 0 1 2 3 4. Now in upper side written 1 2 3 4, here written minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, here written minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Now here first point is present 3 comma 0, so in x and y coordinate means this point is present here. Another point 1 comma minus 1, so this point is present here. In x axis 1, y axis 1. Now join both these points, here less than equality form is present, that means join this line. Now another point 4 0 0 3, in x axis 4, y coordinate 0, that means this point is present here, and y coordinate 3 0 means this point is present here. Again here greater than equality form is present, so here we can join dark line. X greater than equal to 0. X greater than equal to 0, that means here x axis is present here, right? X greater than equal to 0, that means this point is present in upper side, and y greater than equal to 1 means our shaded portion is present in upper side, and y greater than equal to 1, that means y axis present here 1, that means here draw this line. Okay, here y is equal to 1, means our shaded portion is upper side of x-axis and y greater than equal to 1, that means in this portion is our shaded portion. Now in which place, so 1 2 3 and 4 part is present. Now which portion is common portion? So first of all, upper side, that means in x-axis arrow is present this side, this side. Now here check out in position of this graph, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now here substitute, so 0 minus 0 less than equal to 3. So this condition is true. So now x minus, okay, this, okay, x minus, sorry, this line is present here. So x minus 2y less than equal to 3, and another line, say 3x plus 4y greater than equal to 12. Now shaded portion is present in first line. Condition is true, so this portion is present in origin side, that means this side. Okay, so shaded portion of this line is like this side, and here substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 greater than equal to 12. So this condition is wrong. So shaded portion of this line is opposite side of origin. So now after all these 4 lines, common portion is present like this side. So our shaded portion we can draw in this portion. Okay. So our shaded line is like this, right? Clear? Next one. Next question. Question number 15. Question number. Now in this question total 5 equation is present. So x plus 2y less than equal to 10, x plus y greater than equal to 1, x minus y less than equal to 0, x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. Now in first equation, x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now x written in opposite side, so 2y is equal to 10 minus x. Now divided by 2, y is equal to 10 minus x divided by 2. Here x axis, y axis, x in place of written suppose 4. 10 minus 4, that means 6. 6 by 2 means x in place of here consider suppose 2. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 by 2, 4. In second equation, x plus y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus x. X and y, x0, y1, x1, y. Now in third equation, x minus y is equal to 0, that means x is equal to y. Here x and y, x1, y1, x2, so y2. Now x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0 already present. X greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to x axis y. X greater than equal to 0, that means position of graph is like upper side, and y greater than equal to 0, that means position of graph is first quadrant. Remember, x greater 0, that means upper side position of graph, and y greater 0, that means this side position. So common portion is like first quadrant. So position of graph is present in first quadrant. Now here point is present, so here represent this point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here -1, -2, -3, -4. Here written -1, -2, -3 and -4. Now x4, y3. So in x axis 4, y axis 3. So this point is present like here. X coordinate 2 and y coordinate 4. So in x axis 2 and y axis 4 is present. So I think this point is present here. Now how can we draw this point? So here we can return x axis, and here we can draw in upper side y axis. Now after joint both this point, here less than equality form is present, right? So here draw dark. Now after 1 0 1 and 1 0, so this point is present here and another point is present here. So again join this line here. Now here x1 y1, that means this point is present here. x2 y2, this point is present here. So our third line is passing through the origin. Now after which part is our shaded part, decide. So here three possibility present. X greater than 0, y greater than 0, that means this portion is present here. So here four possibility. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibility present here. Means in which part drawing shaded part. So now again same method apply. X 0 and y 0. Substitute here, so 0 plus 0 less than equal to 10. This condition is true. So our first line x plus 2y less than equal to 10. This condition is true. So our shaded portion is like this side. That means these two sides our shaded portion is not present. So possibility 1, 2, 3 and 4 after, right? Now in second equation 0, 1 is x 0 and y 0. That means 0 plus 0 greater than equal to 1. This condition is wrong. So again possibility x plus y greater than equal to 1. So again possibility our shaded portion is like this side, this side and this side. Means only two possibility. Shaded portion is like this side, otherwise this side. Now after how can we decide? So depend on third condition. Here x is equal to 0 and y 0. So 0 less than equal to 0 is present. But y written in opposite side, so like we can return x less than equal to y. अब हमें ऐसी वैल्यू डिसाइड करनी है जो ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई कर. लाइक y की वैल्यू हम कंसीडर करेंगे, सपोज x की वैल्यू कंसीडर करेंगे 1 और y की वैल्यू कंसीडर करेंगे 4. सो हियर नाउ सेटिस्फाई दिस कंडीशन. आपको ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो ऐसे कोई नंबर लेना है. आप x की जगह पर 1 ले सकते हो, y की जगह पर 2, 3, 4, 5 कोई भी नंबर ले सकते हो। हमने 1, 4 लिया। 1, 4 लेने से ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती है। तो अब देखते हैं x कोऑर्डिनेट 1 एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट 4 कौन सी जगह पर प्रेजेंट होगा। सो x कोऑर्डिनेट 1 यहाँ है, y कोऑर्डिनेट 4, दैट मीन्स दिस पॉइंट इज प्रेजेंट हियर। तो our shaded portion possibility only two possibility, but this condition satisfied in this part, so our shaded portion is like this portion. Clear? Okay.